Assalamualaikum and good morning, everyone. My name is Dizeti Edwina from section 26. Today, my group and I will present about the AI chatbot used in Shopee. Before we start, let me introduce my group members.
Hi, my name is Siti Zawani binti Muhammad Zakaria.
And I'm Nur Shaidah binti Muhammad Rizal.
My name is Azul Fasha binti Lisa Fazli.
The first introduction, Shopee is one of the large online shopping platform in Southeast Asia with millions of users every day. To manage the large number of customer inquiries, Shopee as AI chatbot. The chatbot can answer questions, provide product information, and help track order. This technology help Shopee delivery faster customer service and improve the Shopee experience. Um, this picture, Shopee application.
Next, I will explain about organization industry overview. First, available in Southeast Asia like Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, and Philippines. Shopee is an e-commerce platform founded by C Group in 2015. And next, Shopee can connect buyers and sellers through website and mobile apps. And then Shopee also may offer many product category like a lot of products. It's not also only the electronic product. There's also have clothes, groceries, cosmetic, home appliance. Next, this Shopee is have a face strong competition like Lazada and Amazon, as we know. Next, Shopee also use AI, artificial intelligence, to understand the customer, to give customer understand and to improve their operation and give better shopping experience to customers. So from this picture, uh, show the interface of Shopee application. Like when user open the apps, the apps will show the ads. Sorry, the ads will be coming out. They will usually see advertisement or promotional banner first. So next, AI application in Shopee. Shopee use AI artificial intelligence to make shopping easier and faster. So first, understand customer behavior, automate customer service, stop fraud, and keep operations smooth. So next, AI and customer service. Based on pictures, if you guys want to see, AI will be answer the common question. Will give the answer common question like delivery, refund, payment. That is usually customer ask, and then AI will be fast respond and reduce work for human, and this will be effect to the customer. Customer will be happy because their question faster answer like like for example, I ask you where when my delivery will be arrive. Okay, so AI will be give suggestion. I can uh, press the button speed up delivery. So that's why I will be happy because I can speed up that delivery. So next, AI product recommendation. So AI will be suggest product based on search history and past purchase. For example, search for cat food. Example, and then show the related product. You guys can see from the pictures, cat food, right? So and then I already circle. You may also like, that is AI suggestions. So this is can help customer buy more easily. Next, AI search, AI search and image recognition. So you guys can see from the pictures, have the camera, and then I can take any photo, related photo, like for example Fabrice, right? So I can take the Fabrice. I want buy Fabrice, and then I can scan the Fabrice pictures, and then AI will be I will be show the suggestion, the same in the picture. So that things is actually AI from AI. So AI will be show relevant product and then save time and improve shopping experience. So AI also can avoid from fraud and detection and security. So AI can detect unusual activity, and then also can block or flag suspicious accounts and protect customer and build a trust. So from the pictures, if you guys want to know, Shopee Pay also from the Shopee platform. So if I buy something at Shopee, I must tap sorry have must face face FaceTime, sorry, scan my face at the shop. For example, I buy a bag, right? So the bag, if I want to purchase, I want to pay that bag, I must scan my face, or I must scan my finger for fingerprint, or I must set a pin to check out my item.
Next, impact of AI on daily operation. Okay, Shopee uses AI chatbot to support daily customer service operation. The chatbot is available 24 hours a day on the Shopee app and website to answer common question such as order tracking, refund, payment issue, and delivery update. This technology improve what work effortlessly because customer can get answer within second, which reduces waiting time and also human staff to focus on the complete problems. In education, AI chatbots help Shopee readers operation course and provide consistent and accurate information, which improve the overall quality of customer service. Next, this picture is step on the message AI chatbot. Next, next, 5.0 impact on decision making. AI chatbot in Shopee not only answer question customer, uh, AI chatbot AI chatbot in Shopee not only answer customer question, but also collect important customer data from every conversation. This data includes common question, complex product issue, refund patterns, and customer shopping behavior. Sorry. Shopee uses this information to understand customer need, improve service, and create better marketing strategy such as promotion and product recommendation. With this data, Shopee can faster, smarter, and more accurate business decision. Next. This picture screenshot of the customer request to post the item as soon as possible from Shopee.
Okay, so next is strategy, impact, and digital transformation. First, AI is important for all Shopee service. Because why? Why? Right. Because make Shopee personal, fast, and safe. And then enable smart search and automated customer support. For example, right, enable smart search. If you guys see the previous picture, I have show you guys uh the at Shopee. If you want to you also can take a picture and then search the same thing what you want at the platform. So next, Shopee is the biggest e-commerce players in Southeast Asia. So AI also help win customer loyalty and reduce costs, and then also automates operation and service tasks like competitive advantage. Okay, so next, digital transformation. So Shopee moved to from basic marketplace and to technology driven like AI and database. So this also can invest in logistic, payment system, and customer service. AI also supports strategic and decisions like guides pricing, promotion, campaign, and then also help manage inventory and predict demand. So AI plus digital transformation can be better service, efficient operation, and strong market position. So also I will explain this impact. Okay, the impact is help Shopee become a leading e-commerce platform in Southeast Asia, reduce operation costs and improve efficiency through automation, and support digital transformation from a basic marketplace to a technology driven platform. Help Shopee predict a demand, plans promotion like 11/11 and 12/12 and manage inventory. So from the pictures, you guys can see Shopee 12/12 birthday sales. And then uh, strength, innovation, growth, and competitive advantage.
Next is impact on people and job roles. First is AI chatbot has a positive impact on people and job roles in the company. First, it helps reduce the workload and of customer service staff because the chatbot can automatically answer common question from customer. Second, customer can receive faster response at any time without waiting for a human or agent. This improves customer satisfaction. In addition, employee can focus on handling more complex issues that require human thinking and decision making. However, works also need to learn new digital skills and understand how to work together with AI technology. Overall, AI helps improve efficiency and productivity in the company. Next. Next is a challenge, risk, and ethical issue. In this slide, the challenge, risk, and ethical issue in e-commerce platforms such as Shopee. Even though Shopee use security feature like tap secure, like a Face ID, authentication to protect our user account and transaction. There are still some risks such as cyber attack, phishing, and weak password. These risks can affect user data and account safety. Therefore, companies must ensure strong security system and transparency in handling user data to maintain customer trusted to protect their privacy on Shopee. Next.
Okay, now I will explain the recommendation and future improvement for Shopee's AI system. Even though Shopee already use AI to help customers through chatbots and recommendation, there are still several areas that can be improved to provide a better user experience. First, Shopee can improve the AI chatbot understanding. Sometimes the chatbot cannot fully understand complicated questions from customers. Because of that, Shopee can upgrade the AI so it can understand customer question better and give clear answers. This will reduce customer frustration and improve satisfaction. Second, Shopee should provide easy access to human support. Like not all of problems can be solved by AI. Some situations still require humans agent. Therefore, customers should be able to contact a real customer service agents quickly when the chatbot cannot solve their problem. And third one, Shopee needs to strengthen data security and privacy. Since AI system collect a lot of customer data, Shopee must ensure that this information is protected by improving security system and updating them regularly. Shopee can prevent data leaks and protect users' privacy. And next one, Shopee also can improve its AI product recommendation system by studying customers' shopping behavior. Shopee can recommend products that match customers' interests. This will make a Shopee experience more personalized and increase sales. Shopee also should train employees to adapt to technologies. Workers need to improve their digital skills so they can work together with AI system more effectively. And last one, Shopee can explore more advanced AI technologies such as voice-based customer service or smarter fraud detection system in the future. Overall, continuous improvement in AI technology will help Shopee maintain its position as one of the leading e-commerce platform. Next one. Okay, on this in this slide shows an example of how Shopee can improve the AI chatbot system. One of my suggestion to improve is by adding visual guidance when explaining certain steps to customer. The example one is sometimes customer may feel confused when they only read text instruction from the chatbot. For example, like they want to cancel an order or request refund or check delivery confirmation. By my suggestion, Shopee can add adding step by step image or screenshot visual to customers can follow the process more easily. This help them understand the instruction faster and reduce confusion. So as a result, customer can solve their problems more quickly without needing to contact customer service agents. This improvement can make Shopee chatbot system more helpful, user friendly, and efficient for customers. That's one. So, in conclusion, Artificial intelligence (AI) has helped Shopee improve its service and manage daily operations more efficiently. However, Shopee must still pay attention to challenges such as data privacy and the needs for human support. With continuous improvement, AI will continue to help Shopee grow and stay competitive in the e-commerce industry. By this discussion, uh, Shopee can improve uh, their data or their industry, their business in e-commerce industry. That's all.
Okay, lastly, that is all from our group about AI chatbot used in Shopee. Thank you for listening, and we are happy to answer any question. If you guys have any question, you guys can share to us. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, cuba tu tengok dengar suara.
Tahu rekod-rekod tak ada suara memang.
Ya, takut dah lah habis banyak masa gitu je.
Setengah jam tak sampai pun.